This is the elevator Silvestri Hall at Youngstown State University in Youngstown, Ohio. This was originally an old Dover from, I think, the 60s, but sadly it was completely replaced by ThyssenKrupp TKE elevator with Innovation Bruiser in 2023. There's the old Dover Oildraulic key. Unfortunately, I just missed this one. There's 36ers, Anachrome. It's an EU logo. I guess it's regulator. Ground, here we go. Here we go. It's on a third-party controller. It's not a ThyssenKrupp controller. It's a basic padded cab. It's stainless steel underneath, and that's all. Oh no, it's that, whatever that cab is, the one on Jones Hall. Here, back at 1, has hot LED lighting. I don't know why this one is like third-party mod. The one at Jones Hall had a proprietary ThyssenKrupp mod. There's some of these other ones, but they have like ThyssenKrupp controls with Innovation Bruiser. This one totally non-proprietary. That's it.